on the year so far? जो पिछले पहले 6 महीने बीते हैं और आने वाले 6 months, how do you see it coming up for Netflix, especially with Ikka being one of your biggest ones?
I think if you see the ambition and scale of Ikka, you know what the year has been and what it is meant to be. I feel that Ikka in some way brings together or shows, you know, just the level of entertainment, the ambition of entertainment that we have as Netflix. We've had a brilliant series like Taskari, which had Imran Hashmi, Neeraj Pandey's series. We've had Ma Behan recently, which was a Suresh directorial with Madhuri, Tripti, Dharna, and Ravi Kishan. And we have Lock Up going on right now, which is a captive reality show, which is already trending. And so many, different kinds of stories which have come till now. And I think Ikka in the middle of the year really stands as that big blockbuster entertainment that takes us into the second half of the year. We have amazing things lined up, from Romance and Musafir Cafe to Operation Safed Sagar, which is a very big, ambitious, series on Air Force's mission in Kargil. Many people, actually most of us know the Kargil story from the Army's point of view, not from the Air Force's point of view. So I think, and then we have Anil Kapoor's family business, so many stories coming and a lot of new creators coming. But I think today is the day for Ikka. It's a very, very special moment for us to actually partner with Sunny, his first original film. And like I said, Tilotama and Diya have been on our journey with Netflix. And I should tell you, when we were deciding to cast the lawyer opposite Sunny, Tilotama's name was the one that all of us unanimously, sort of came up with. And Diya is the lovely, lovely, character in the film who carries a lot of surprise, and you know how she impacts the film. So I'm very excited about that, and I think what Sid has done, managed to shoot the film with such big and amazing stars in record time, and with a lot of passion and dedication. I think that's what exemplifies what filmmakers are able to do, when we collaborate with them. So I'm just so happy and glad that Ikka is starting the second half of the year for us.
Well done on that. 25 पे ओवर में वीरेंद्र सहवाग आ रहा है, मतलब सोचो क्या होगा. Ikka is on, and that's the reason why I think Netflix can definitely expect a sudden spike in a lot of people spending all night watching more and more. तो पहले ही आपने रात को जो देखना स्टार्ट किया ना, नेक्स्ट एपिसोड आ जाता है, अगली चीज आ जाती है, कैसे आदमी रात भर देखता ही रहे. Anyway, but this is amazing. I am addicted to it.
Ikka will be the Dhurandhar of Netflix.
That's a statement. Siddharth, you've got an amazing cast right over here. We were speaking off stage also about courtroom dramas. Tilly, me and Siddharth were speaking about how courtroom dramas as a genre, हम सबको इतना शाक्ता कोर्ट चालू है और रुका हुआ फैसला, such wonderful projects that we've seen. As a genre, yeah? Court Martial. Have you been a fan of this genre, Siddharth?
Yeah, huge fan of the genre and huge fan of Damini and Sunny sir from Betab. It's a privilege and an honor when you get to direct Sunny sir in a film, and he's not Sunny Deol the star only because of his dialogues. जब आप as a इंसान जान जाते हो तो आप उनके बन जाते हो, फिर आप बिना उनसे पूछे ही उनके लिए सब कुछ करने को तैयार हो. He is that great a human being. I give him that respect as I would give my father. He's too good. He's too good, and I'm very, very emotionally lucky that I've got to direct.
So glad you say that, Siddharth. And what does every actor bring for you on in this particular project? Kis kisam se, you've spoken about Sunny sir. What about all the other actors also? And you've got a wonderful cast here.
Yeah. This film was this was one subject which I've been wanting to tell for a very long time. And I thank Monica before even, because thanks to her I got to tell this film. But Sunny sir was always, when this film was written, there was no other cast. This is only Sunny Deol. Luckily sir heard it, said yes. Then it was who will play Shauryaman Gaur, and we all spoke all together, and the first name that came to my head was Akshay Khanna. So it was like करेगा ऐसे पता नहीं script सुनते हैं सुनाते हैं. When we gave him the script, it was record time in which he said yes even on this film. We gave it to him in a day. The next day he heard it, read it. In the same week he signed the contract and it was done. And Akshay is fantastic in the film. He's really added a lot of. I mean, I would not want to speak. I would want you all to see the film and let the film talk. As a director, so I should not speak. Let the film talk. Diya has been a friend too long in my life. I produced a beautiful show called Kafir with her. One of my favorite. It was after Hichki and Kafir were the only things I wanted to direct at one point of time. Diya. I produced that show and Diya's fabulous in that. And then I was waiting for a moment to direct her. But वो moment आ ही नहीं रहा था, and then this role came up and I said, Diya, this is the script. Graciously enough, she has accepted and allowed me to direct her in this film. And it was important for me to, besides get there, जो सनी सर और अक्षय की फैंडम है, उनको भी सर्व करना, एक सुर वो पकड़ना इस फिल्म के लिए. पर at the same time, एक सेंसिटिव और किरदारों की जो मेरी आवाज़ है एज अ मेकर वो ना खो जाए. That comes beautifully through Diya and Tilotma and beautiful scenes through Daria, the daughter, Jyoti, Sanjita, all the other people who acted in it. There are some memorable scenes for me at least of Sunny Sir in the film. So I really thank Diya and Tilotma. When we did this, we wrote the script. Like Monica said, there was no other thought. It was Tilotma. Everybody together, Monica, Ruchika, Amit, said, this is Tilotma. Then when Sunny Sir even asked, ये कौन कर रहा है? And the thing was Tilotma, तो Pankaj was there. He said, हाँ उन्हीं को लो. So it was a unanimous thing, and what she's brought, I've mentioned it in a birthday wish to her, and I'm saying it on stage in public, that if given a chance, I would write a role for her in every film and say, please ye kar lo. She is amazing as a human being and as an actor, so I'm privileged to have her act in this film.
अरे सर, हमारे आराम नगर के रिहर्सल हॉल्स में जलवा है, जहाँ जितने भी हमारे थिएटर के ग्रुप्स हैं, जहाँ पर हम लोगों ने टिनी के साथ काम किया है, we've seen her, it has just been amazing. So I completely agree with you. Great choice.
Magic.
Sir, how do I say this? It happens तो कि कई बार इंसान अपनी खुद के उपलब्धियों को पार कर पाना उसके लिए कई बार मुश्किल हो जाता है. For so many years of so many characters that you played, and specifically in the courtroom, that one character has become so huge, so larger than life that कभी-कभार खुद से ही मुलाकात करते वक्त एक ऐसा लगता है कि wow, what have I created? एक हक की लड़ाई लड़ना जिसकी आवाज आप बने, ना केवल फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लिए बल्कि हम सब के लिए. We became addicted to you because हम जानते थे you're a righteous man as a character, whatever you played in your previous roles also when you became a lawyer, and real life too. How does that affect you, sir? Does that affect by any chance of the work that you've done and somehow people comparing that in the future or with Ika also? क्या लोग करेंगे?
देखिए, हम एज एन एक्टर हमें कभी कुछ नहीं पता होता कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, कहाँ तक जाएंगे. कहानी आती है, कहानी अच्छी लगती है, कैरेक्टर इंटरेस्टिंग होता है और फिर कोशिश करते हैं कि उसे हम अच्छी तरह से निभाएं. और मेरे साथ हमेशा ऐसा होता है कि जो पिक्चर ख़त्म भी हो जाती है उसके वजह मैं देखता हूँ, मुझे लगता है यार मैंने ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया, लेकिन जनता बाकी को पता नहीं होता, तो जब वो तारीफ करते हैं तो लगता है चलो बच गए. बट डेफिनेटली इट हैज़ बीन, मैंने कभी एक्चुअली मैं कभी अपने आप को सोचता नहीं कि मेरे इतने साल हो गए हैं, पर कुछ फ्रॉम पास्ट ईयर और 2 सालों की इतनी बातचीत होगी कि मेरे दिमाग में घुसना शुरू हो गया. इतने साल हो गए हैं. I just feel I'm still the same and I would love to do more and more films and get more and more interesting characters. Or it all depends on, definitely now started with Netflix doing films over here, and I'm sure I'll be progressing over here as well and reach out to the world out over there. और क्या बोलूँ, thank you very much to everybody who has loved me and our whole family. Thank you very much.
And we continue to do that, Sarisa. We continue to do that. And we are actually thankful that you chose this character, and we're all looking forward to it. Priya ma'am, to you also, when you choose this character, first of all, you and your association with Netflix is deep. It's been going on for many years. And abhi aur bhi aane wale waqt ke andar there are more projects that will be seeing you. Inka, specifically, storyline, and like we discussed, beyond courtroom, the family dynamics. I want you to tell us a little bit more about that, how you chose this.
First, tell me, am I going to get into a lot of trouble for slapping Akshay Khanna on screen? I'm very scared.
I'm a sound
Because
effect.
he has a phenomenal fan following. I am terrified. I was like, ये तो ट्रेलर में डाल दिया, मुझे बहुत मुश्किल।
And that was the first scene she shot with him.
Yeah, and imagine the first scene I have shot for the film is that scene with Akshay Khanna.
बहुत जोर से आवाज आई, हमें पता नहीं साउंड इफेक्ट है कि रियल है, लेकिन बहुत जोर से आवाज आई है।
खैर उसकी बात नहीं करेंगे। We would like for people to be convinced that it is true, है ना sir? You know, when Tilly said it's taken her 25 years, I just realized this is my 25th year as well. And she's so damn right. Some days feel like the last 25 years have been preparation for the parts that we are playing today. And I feel so much immense gratitude for platforms like Netflix, for democratizing a system, for giving artists dignity, for giving us platform and voice and strength, for telling stories that, you know, entertain, engage, but also matter. And I think Ikka is going to be a ride. It's a very enjoyable, interesting film that has the, you know, the language that people are familiar with and enjoy. But it also has an integrity that really roots it into the emotion of the characters. And Daria, who is playing our daughter in the film, is magic. We had cast her in a short film called Asmani.
Thanks to Dia. Dia actually showed me.
When I read the script, I said, you have to audition this child. She is beautiful. And you will see her magic when you watch the movie. I have goosebumps. And I think, yeah, I think there's a truth and an integrity that all of us are able to bring to the story, which is what makes it very, very genuine and relatable and enjoyable.
Yeah, and I'll take back something from this, when you mentioned कि 25 साल में जितना कुछ किया तो उसके टुकड़ों को बुना के ही this character bana is something that you have
वो हमेशा होता है ना?
It's been amazing.
Yeah.
What a way to think and approach your art also. Tilly, of course, Tilotama, we've always, apart from me knowing you personally, we've also, as your viewers have known, that the choice of projects that you do, the choice of characters that you always pick up, has always been something inspiring. Specifically with this character, I'd like to know a little bit more about what excited you the most about this one, and how did you approach this? Did you bring in your years of theatre also into it? How did you approach this character?
When Sid called me and he said it's a film with Sunny Deol and Akshay Khanna, I looked at my phone. कुछ गड़बड़ तो नहीं है? क्या हो गया भाई? मुझे लगा कि कुछ तो प्रैंक कॉल होगा ज़रूर, बिकॉज नेटफ्लिक्स से कॉल नहीं आया था, सिड से डायरेक्टली आया था, तो मुझे लगा ज़रूर कोई मतलब दोस्त होगा, ऐसे कुछ कर रहे हैं ना, जोक मार रहे हैं. But then it was real, and I've never played a lawyer, and ये पहला मौका था to, you know, to create something new, to learn a new language. And we grew up watching very few films. हम किताबें ज़्यादा पढ़ते थे, फिल्म्स कम देखते थे, बट दामिनी देखी थी हमने. So it was too much to think that and then to have a callback to that line in Damini, and there's just many things that are very new for me. But I really am so thankful to Netflix for an actor like me who didn't come into the city knowing anybody, and casting directors saw you divided the world between actors and stars. In that kind of very polar environment, to have Netflix give me a home, to work with the actors across the spectrum, and then to erase these lines that divide us and keep us in boxes. It's really such a fine feeling that in my lifetime I could be part of an industry that was that welcoming, and of course I was a bit nervous about how I have a lot of scenes with Sunny Sir. Now what if he doesn't like me, or he doesn't want to look into my eyes? I don't know how these big stars do. So I didn't want even to say hello to him. When he walked in, I was sitting, I was like, चुपचाप बैठे रहो, and जब एक्शन बोलेंगे तब काम करेंगे, हाय हेलो बोलने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, मतलब वो चिढ़ जाएंगे, कुछ और हो जाएगा. And then Sid insisted that I go, and it was. I know there are many emotions attached to an actor like this, to a legacy like this. But I looked into his eyes, and if you've ever seen a cow's eyes, they're very kind. And I really felt like, my God, he has really kind eyes, I forgot about everything else. And then we have a scene in which his eyes again, I have another story, but that's for another day. Yeah.
And also making her do those slow motion shots, which she was like.
He said एक ये सीन करना है जिसमें सनी सर अपना जैकेट हीरो शॉट्स. हाँ, ये कभी मुझसे कभी किसी ने करवाया नहीं है. And he said ये शॉट होगा मेरा, आप अपना जैकेट डाल रहे हैं, getting ready for court. सनी सर अपना जैकेट डालेंगे, cut to you.
Background बजेगा.
I can say also, it's a very good shot.
I couldn't. I thought he's pulling my leg for sure. But we actually did it, and actually दिखने को भी आज मिल गया. It's just too beautiful.
Tilantama, you just said the Taikilo ka haath wala dialogue in the trailer. You know what's going to happen right after that. The legendary dialogue, the legendary line. You've taken it.
I hope Sunny sir doesn't mind. Otherwise, Baki, I can take anything else. Sunny sir, you're okay now with the line?
I just loved it. Remember when you were doing it also? मुझसे बात कर रही थी. Go ahead and do it.
Smile.
And you nailed it.
Bola, did you just say that? No? Yeah. And speaking of lines, Sunny sir, dialogues are something that make it a film. And जिस किस्म से इक्का के अंदर भी the kind of lines are really, really powerful. Any of your favorite dialogues that have stayed with you? इक्का के dialogues के बारे में, writing के बारे में, what do you feel?
यार मेरे को चीज़ें याद नहीं रहती. मेरे को कोई डायलॉग पता नहीं कौन सा बोलूं.
Say.
हम कोर्ट में जीतने के लिए नहीं, हक के लिए लड़ते हैं.
हम कोर्ट में जीतने के लिए नहीं, हक के लिए लड़ते हैं.
As powerful as it gets every time, and some great dialogues. And if you have Sunny Deol sir in a film or dialogues अगर अच्छे और तगड़े मिल जाए तो I think सोने पे सुहागा हो जाता है. Again speaking to Nadia, it's you courtroom dramas जहाँ पर हमेशा, of course, like we spoke about, focus is always on lawyers. The family aspect that you spoke about, the wonderful actor who played your daughter in this film, the kind of relationships that one sees, that I mean your relationship, I don't want to reveal much about the film, but your relationship with your multiple characters, how does one balance it out? Because आपको मालूम है that this film is a courtroom drama, but the family emotion needs to stay alive. How important is that? To keep the family emotions alive for...
You're an actor, so you know that, we have a process of identifying either a word or a line that anchors the part that we're playing. And that doesn't change in any room or in any character. That is what brings, yeah, it just, you know, it's that steady presence and force. It was very interesting for me because my first day of shoot was with Akshay, and he is a powerhouse performer. I'm in awe of him, and it's a very tough scene, and it flew. It just went like that, and it's, you know, one of those rare moments where you're like, "Kya maza aaya yaar?" But it was like playing cricket, and it was just so nice to also see appreciation in him for what he was receiving in the scene, because he may have thought that I'd come into it in a certain way, and then he was surprised with what was happening. So it was fun. With Sunny sir, because I think there is so much history as an audience, I was very overawed. I was really overawed by him, and I was terrified. I was shaking like a leaf. आपको पता नहीं है ये, मैं बड़ी cool लग रही थी, पर मैं बैठी थी ना, इसलिए आपको दिख नहीं रहा था। मैं बहुत डरी हुई थी, और पहला सीन गाड़ी के अंदर बैठा दिया दोनों को, और उस गाड़ी के सीन में इतनी हिस्ट्री नजर आनी थी हम दोनों के दरमियान, जो वर्कशॉप से आता है, प्रिपरेशन से आता है, और हमने कुछ नहीं किया, हमारी मुलाकात भी नहीं हुई थी। This is the first time I was meeting him in person, and it's the first scene that had to deliver layers of life lived and shared with this human being. But it just happened. He is the kindest, the nicest, the most open human being to work with. He just embraces you. And मैं इनको फ्लैटर करने के लिए नहीं कह रही हूँ, ये हकीकत है, आपको दिखता है, लेकिन ये जो एहसास करवाते हैं अपने मतलब हम साथियों को या
पूरी
सबको, but most importantly the people that he's working with also, like as an actor, I didn't feel a moment of hesitation. You remember that one scene where I had to like hold you and I asked you, can I hug you? And he started laughing. He said, "Kya sawal hai ye?" I was like, "नहीं पूछ लिया." But it was magical, and I think मैं तो बचपन से माई हूँ. That's a very natural instinct that I have. I have a very strong maternal instinct, and I revel in it. It's something that I really, really cherish. I think it's special, and motherhood has, I think, in many ways really opened that up even more, because before that I had an idea of what it would feel like to be a parent, but now I feel it in every cell and bone of my body. So I think that brings something to the interactions that I have with the child, and it's been such a wonderful ride.
And it's a blessing, yeah. It's, you're absolutely right.
You know, she actually.
I mothered you also.
Yeah,
But
a lot. You still do.
Jagat Janani.
You still do, but we would sit on the scene, discuss the lines. She would make it her own, and then after feeling it, she would go and go all for it. With Sunny sir, it's the same thing. He needs to feel the line. He needs to feel the emotion. He says, मैं उसको अपना बना लूँगा, तब वो delivery आएगी. I realized that वो delivery तब आती है जब उन्होंने अपना बना लिया इस line को. Then because he's all heart, and all, like Tilotoma said, his eyes speak volumes. So जब उन्होंने वो line को अपना बना लिया, then even if he's not saying anything, his eyes are acting and giving you magic. So I've noticed that with both of them. Yeah.
Wow, super. What an amazing conversation.
Can I say one word about our director?
Please do, dear.
Because I don't think we've said enough about him. He is the most wonderful, gentle, patient person I have worked with. You know, he's worked under enormous stress, and it's not been easy to make this movie. There's been all kinds of hurdles, but
he never lost his center. He never let us feel what kind of pressure he was under. And it was just, he's also so receptive to what you are able to bring. So, you know, एक होता है ना कि मैं डायरेक्टर हूँ, ये मुझे ऐसे चाहिए, वो कभी नहीं था. He's very open to seeing what your interpretation is of the line, the moment, the scene. And we've had many chats with him and we've done scenes very organically and beautifully. So thank you, Sid.
Thank you, dear. Thank you. And thank you for mothering me and all of you all. And Sapna, who's not here, because this would have not been without Sapna and the entire team would have been here.
But you were in great hands also. और इतने
All
साल
the women who were there to like
Hold your hand.
hold my hand, and I would smile and say it's all good.
and you could.
At the end of the day, a film is a film because it's a director's film. We just have to see that we work in that parameter and we don't go outside that, and that's what it is. And I think he's done a great job, and I'm sure you're going to love it.
It's amazing, and to be working with such stalwarts, such amazing actor. शायद धूप में बाल सफेद नहीं किए हैं हमने, इतने साल दिए हैं तब जाकर यहाँ पर पहुंची गई ये बात. A round of applause for the director Siddharth right away, ladies and gentlemen. मैंने ये आप देख सकते हैं कोर्ट रूम, आपको मैं भूल नहीं जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि आप एक कोर्ट रूम में हैं.